I was born here, and I still remember it as if it was my first flight. In February 2001, I started the rotors and began to write my story. A story that over time has been enriched with people, missions, solidarity, adventures, innovations, and that today is a story of success. Traveling everywhere, all around the world, in the rain, with the wind, in the cold, by night, by day, through the mountains and over the sea. I searched, I discovered, I protected, I rescued, I made people come together, and I've never lost the desire to fly. It is something you are born with, and it's really special. Yes, like the first time. Today, I'm not alone. I'm flying with my two brothers, the AW169 and the AW189. They are my family, the Augusta Westland family, created to support you in all your daily operations. Now, it's time to fly into the future for bigger dreams and new destinations. Soon, a new friend of the family will operate with us, the AW609 tilt rotor, a real game changer, like I was and still am. Here, there is one thing I want to tell you. You who share with us the passion to fly, never give up flying. And we are here to keep flying with you.